Hello everyone, in the previous video, we talked about how to register a Fiverr account. Today, in this video, I will share with you how to publish the first gig. That is called Fiverr's first job. My channel mainly shares freelance platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, remote work, or work from home. If you also like this type of video and welcome you to subscribe to my channel, because I have been working on these platforms for 3 years and I am the level 1 seller, with rich experience and earning lots of money. I believe my experience will be very helpful for beginners. Let's start our Fiverr course now.
Now let me demonstrate with the past design job how to release the first gig. There are a total of 6 steps to complete the release. The first step is to fill in the job type you have chosen. Here you need to use one sentence to summarize what kind of work you want to do. Then you need to choose to design this category. The search tag has a word limit and cannot be written too long, and the content needs to be consistent with your job. The yellow section also reminds you that some skills require you to provide proof materials. After filling it out, you can save it by pressing save. Then we move on to the second step. The second step is to fill in your job salary and calculate the prices based on 3 major factors: basic, standard, and premium. Basic is the lowest income you can earn for this job, the least amount of work you need to do, and the least amount of work difficulty. The difficulty of both standard and premier parts has increased. The salary you receive is gradually increasing. If you can provide the services in the box below, you can choose to check it. Here, there is an extra service, which is the cost of providing other additional services. If your buyer wants to speed up, you can also check these services after filling in all the details. We will proceed to the third step by pressing save.
The third step of description is to introduce your previous work experience, abilities, and strengths. What are your special aspects that buyers should choose from you? If you want to write these contents better, you can ask ChatGPT for help. The following question section mainly estimates what questions the buyer will ask you, or what aspects do you want buyers to know about you. After filling it out, press save to enter the fourth part. The fourth part needs to fill in what information the buyer needs to provide to facilitate your work. The design work requires the buyer to provide image style, size, or image format, all of which can be filled in. Then, press save to proceed to the fifth step. The fifth part is about pictures and videos to show your work to buyers. Firstly, you need to upload pictures of your work or service. It is recommended to upload all 3 pictures here, and then upload the video. This video cannot exceed 50 megabytes, which is actually a very short video. Do not make videos that are too long or too large, otherwise you will not be able to upload successfully. These videos and images must be authentic and cannot be replaced by others, as this can easily be detected by Fiverr as duplicate account bans. If you don't have much work at the beginning, you can skip uploading and wait until you have 1 or 2 work experiences before uploading this part of the content. PDF documents must also be standardized and cannot be copied from others. Then press publish to publish, and the published gig will become an active job. Before publishing, you can also go to the preview to see the effect. I just haven't completed the demonstration here, so I can't preview. Now the gig page displays the status of all the gigs you have posted. If the gigs I filled out just now are not published, they will be saved in the gigs draft here. The gigs here are divided into active, order, and others. Here, you can also see all the exposure rates, click-through rates, deletion rates, and successful order rates of your gigs. You can modify or optimize your gig at any time based on this data, so that your gig can receive more clicks from buyers. This video is almost over here. In the next video, I will show you how to withdraw the money you earn on Fiverr. If you have any questions, you can leave me a message. If you like my video, remember to subscribe to me. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.